Good morning, Iran. So, problem today is our hands are cuffed. And, well, that's a bit of an issue. You know? So, we're gonna play Dead by Daylight with my hands cuffed. But we got a few rules to go over first. Obviously, we have to play as Quentin because, he's a drug addict or whatever. So, of course, he'd be in jail. Obviously. Um, Rule number one, anytime I fail a skill check or get hit by the killer, I have to increase the tick on these handcuffs. I can go up to about tick number 7 before my wrist is no longer connected to the rest of my body, which is typically a problem. Second rule is don't die. I don't really have any more rules than rule number 1. Another thing is you might notice my mouse pad is very awkwardly positioned right under my keyboard. Normally it'd be like over there, but right now it's here because I can't reach over there when I'm like here. So our mouse and keyboard are right here, which is going to be a pain for me because I don't like that. So, I will see you in the first match. Okay, let's do this. The Thompson House, Cold Wind Farm. Okay, here we go. First generator is right next to us. We can just go straight to the owl. This already kind of hurts. I don't appreciate. Okay, it's a nurse. Ain't looking good for us. Here's what we're gonna do. This generator is blocked off right now, so we're just gonna hide back here. He'll probably come by and check on it. When he does that, we just gonna walk over there right afterward. Look at me, 360ing with handcuffs on. I need the nurse to show up here so I can get my tokens. Nurse, come here. Do you think he has ruin? I could have been looking for that this entire time, but no, I'm just standing around being useless. Look at me. Wow, you suck. You're a noob. What a... Shut up. Alright, is this generator unlocked yet? Oh my god. Come on. Come on. How much longer? How much longer are you gonna be locked for? Oh my god, now he's gonna show up. Alright, come on. Give me those tokens. Ah, he just went down. Hey, you. Put that woman down. Oh no, you might have just seen me. I don't know. We're just gonna crouch right here. You won't see me here. Hey, you. Go away. I'm gonna unhook this man. Or this woman. We're gonna wait till the killer is farther away. Because we're a good teammate. And we don't get our teammates killed. Sup, teammate? See? If we had been trying to unhook him right now, she'd be dead. Killer's like right there. Now obviously I'd rather get her off the hook and then downed than be entered stage 2 yet. Oh my god. Killer. leave. Okay, now, I was waiting for a... Really? I waited so long for that, and you're just gonna... Yeah, you deserve that. I don't like you. See, and now look. I was waiting. Killer would have left eventually, and it would have all been good. And we would have both gotten off the hook. Or, well, she would have gotten off the hook, and we would have been just fine. But look what he had to do. Now he's downed. So we hooked right where that one was. And now she's gonna chase me. Okay, well... I got hit twice, didn't I? 1, 2, ow. 1, 2. Problem solved. Okay, so I think she has something that makes her teleports faster. But she seems like really quickly to do that. I don't know, maybe I just suck. Probably just thought I suck. That's my best guess. Best. With a T. You hear me moaning? I sound lovely. Okay, now she's gonna come right back this way and you guys are gonna unhook me while she's like right there. Dumb idiot. Look, now we're all gonna die. Don't heal me right... Oh my god, you're... joke, Nia. Okay, heal me and don't mess me up. Please. Macrophago. That's a wonderful name. Who else we got? We got Lamacha Garnacha. Interesting. And we got the beer store. Is he coming after me? No, okay. Good. Hey, it's a totem. No killer ever checks right next to completed generators. Nobody. 100% safe plan. Let's go through the cornfield. What's he gonna do about it? See, all this corn is actually hemp, and we're just gonna start busting out right here. This is why I'm in handcuffs, because I've spent way too much time in the hemp fields. Alright, let's do this. Ow. I tried to reach over. I don't know what I was doing there, but it didn't work. You know, you weren't supposed to be hit. And that's the goal of the game. Don't get killed. But, you know. Some people, they just don't know what the rules are. I'm going to do my generator, and I'm going to not care about anybody else right now. And that's what matters to me, is this generator. It's my friend. It's like a brother to me. Okay, we're going to go rescue this person, because everybody else is being incapable. What's up, Nia? How's your day going? You want rescuing? Do you want me to heal it? Have a nice day. I'm going back to my generator. Don't speak to me again. Oh no, there's a killer nearby. Ooh. One generator left. Oh, that's tough. You weren't supposed to be hit. Where is he being taken? I'm gonna imagine it's gonna be this hook over here. Yes, it is. Look at me. I'm so smart. Okay, where are you gonna go now, killer? I need to know. Ooh. Okay, you were supposed to know where I am. Well, how do you know where it was? That's stupid. Haxer, obviously. What is... I don't know. I just don't, okay? Like... I don't know, I don't care. Whatever. Just kill me, I don't care. what's that, 2 more times? Actually, I'm forgetting about this. Okay, we're up to 4th tick now, right? Maybe 5, I don't know. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5, right? So yeah, probably 5 out of 7, so. Oh, this doesn't look healthy for me. This looks like a, I'm gonna die. Okay, we're safe. We're gonna heal ourselves right here. So out of 7, up to 7 ticks, we're on tick number 5, which means we have 2 more that we can take. Now those 2, I really don't want to have to take them, because they hurt. Like right now it hurts. It's discomfortable. It hurts. And I don't appreciate it. Also, I added a new rule right here on the edge of my mouse pad. You might see a bobby pin. So before I leave, I have to get the handcuffs off with the bobby pin, which I know how to do, thankfully. So I'm not utterly screwed. But I am screwed, just in general. So we'll see what happens. And if anything, we will just... You don't need to be healed. Shut up. Listen, I can't die again. You understand that? So, I'm just gonna leave. You have fun canoodling over here. I'm just gonna go this way. Especially since that generator just got eaten. Eaten isn't a word, is it? You there. Where'd you go? Oh. She's behind me. It's probably all that hemp I was smoking. Alright, we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. Have a nice day. Ba-dump, ba-dump, ba-dump. Look at that. Faked her out. Way to go, champ. Get that barbecue and chili out of my face. I don't deal with that. Somebody else just do the last generator. I don't want to do it. Somebody else has to do it. I'm gonna search this chest. Maybe we'll get a cool item. Do you think the killer put his diamonds in here? I'm gonna change the title of this video to Minecraft Faction Raid, episode 143. Busted through the obsidian walls and we just found the diamond jackpot. Hello, Mr. Killer. Don't hurt me. It's technically a missus, but you know, nowadays just throw whatever gender you want at me, and apparently that's what I have to call you. Is that too offensive for this video? Oh well. I don't care. I'm pretty sure I'm a guy, so it doesn't affect me. Maybe I might cut that part out. I don't know. Hey, I did it! Look at my teammates being useless and me doing all the work. Disappointing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. Yeah, you're coming for me, aren't you? Yeah. Look at that, you almost got me, but no, not today. Sorry. I knew that you were gonna try to eat me. Does she see me? Yeah, well, try trying to eat me there, but guess what? Didn't work, did it? Sucks to suck, don't it? Oh well. I'm just gonna walk my way over to this guy. You there? Don't you dare steal my unhook. I'm not gonna waste my sprint burst, so don't you dare steal it. Don't you steal it. Don't you steal it. That's what I thought, Nia. Thank you. You there. Hi, yeah. I'm gonna heal you. Calm down. Here, I'll heal you with my kit. I got this cool medkit. $4 on Amazon. Alright, let's go. This is actually the potion of healing that I found in the chest. Double chest full of potion of healing. Dude was a brewing genius. I don't know how many blazes he had to farm. Maybe that's why I'm in jail, because he was blazing so much, you know. Ooh! Don't touch me with that. That's offensive. Who are you going to? Just don't go to me, and that's okay. Kill whoever you want, just don't make it me. Thank you. Okay, so the problem is not getting the exit gate open and getting in there. Problem is, you know, the handcuffs. I have to get them off before I leave, which is a problem, because that takes time. Here we go. We're gonna stand right here. Don't do it, don't do it. I have to get these off. I have to get these off, man. I have to get these off. Okay, well, I can't do it. Alright, well, we're gonna take them off anyways, with the bobby pin. There was really, like, I mean, I don't know what I was supposed to do there, besides just die in the exit gate. So let's see, if you noodle it right, you guys want to see some professional stuff right here? Ooh, that guy's speaking another language. Oh, 2 people are speaking another. Oh, wow. Alright. Let's see. Do I know how to do this? Are you ready? Here we go. Bobby pin in. Okay, that didn't work. That just hurt a lot. Extra force isn't... Okay, hold on. Hold on. That didn't work. How about now? How about now? Maybe 5th time's the charm. Oh, I had it, but I just let it go. There we go. One's off. Okay, we're gonna turn this around to make it easier. I'm God. Have a nice day. Okay, this game, I added a plot twist. That last game, it was a nurse, you know, you're not supposed to win against them. So I felt like it was already too easy. So I taped these fingers together. Hey, you! No, 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 I was trying to do the intro. Oh my god, look at this. And I already got to tighten them, and oh, come on. No. I don't like, I was trying to explain the plot twist and everything. I don't appreciate, ow. Alright, so as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. I have taped my index and my middle fingers together, and I have taped my pinky and my ring fingers together. Because, you know, I wasn't supposed to win against the nurse. It's a nurse. It was also the first game of the day, so I was supposed to lose it. You know, I come in this game and be like, oh, look at me, I'm such an underdog, and it'd be such an uplifting story, and I mean, like, it'd have a cool plot line and everything, you know, like this Meg over here, me and her would, like, fall in love or something. But that just didn't happen. So instead, I have mandatorily added myself into a handicap position so that I appear inferior, so that my plot line will actually take place. Because what matters is the story. I love you 3000. See that asshat over there that interrupted me earlier? What a rude bitch. No offense to any rude bitches out there. My bobby pin is still on the edge of my desk. Hopefully this time we can actually unlock them before we leave. What I should have done was I should have gotten onto my floor and had to crawl while unlocking it. That would have made it more, because, you know, I, was crawling out of the exit gate, so. Is he gonna try to hit me again? Because that's rude. Oh, come on. Oh, but he didn't see me? Okay, well. Not my eye problems. Alright, let's do this. I'm trying to make sure the tape isn't falling off, because it kind of is. But, you know. Eventually you'll get out of that wheelchair. You can do it. You just gotta keep working, and, you know, your handicaps will come free. Alright, that person's really having a hard time vaulting that window. What's he doing? Oh, what a skill move. You see the killer moonwalk there to trick him into thinking he was doing something, and then, like, he just didn't? That was unbelievable. No offense to any handicapped people out there either, of course. No offense to anybody. I didn't mean to do that. That was just me accidentally letting go, no worries. Is he gonna come over here? Or what is he doing? Yo. Idiot. Kill me. The sooner you kill me, the sooner I can leave this video and I can go to my bed and watch cool videos. And now my eye itches, and earlier I was sitting on a bench and I was just staring at a white flag, and then I zoned out, and I don't know how long time had passed, but I just know that my eyes were burning, and it was very painful, and I did not appreciate any second of it. It was undelightful, and that's my life story. Oh, you're gonna cleanse that totem? Look at you being useless. No offense to any useless people out there. Hey you, put that woman down. Hey you. You. You there. Put her down. Readjusting my tape. Oh no, he's gonna come back for me, isn't he? We're just gonna hide her. Oh, she got off. Oh, she's coming up here. Oh, oh. Oh, don't let me get in the way. Ooh. Look at that Wraith butt. Dude's thick. Is he gonna try to kill me now, or like what? Just kill somebody. Kill her. It's not that hard. Here, you wanna come up beside me? Just go ahead. I don't care. What's up, Wraith? She's vaulting the window. Don't vault it while she's oh, I just got you killed. Ha ha ha. That's a big F. Listen, alright. I'm just gonna stand right here. It's gonna be funny. Never mind. No, it's not. Yo, Jane, that's my bad. I didn't see you there. Ooh, he's just gonna not do that. Unhook. Smart moves. Okay. Increase the ticks 2 times. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Ow. Okay, now that right wrist really hurt there. I don't know. I think it's just because when I put it on, it wasn't angled correctly, and it hurt like hell. Not appreciate it at all. Okay, where's the exit gate before you unhook me? Because I don't know where I'm running to. We're just going to say this way. It sounds reasonable. It looks reasonable. Okay, he's going to hurt me. He's really trying to hurt me. Okay, way to go, champs. He didn't hurt me. Is he going to hit me? Oh, well, I can't do my handcuff thing if you could just keep hitting me out of the exit gate. Look at that. I got that one off in like 2 seconds. That's pretty impressive. Alright, this one. How long do you think this one's going to take? I'm going to say 25. Oh, look at that. I think I just broke my bubby. bobby pin though. So my bobby pin just came off. I don't know what it was. Okay, well, I think that's all I'm gonna do. We did 2 games. We won both of them because, of course, we don't lose. We're too good at that. We're too good at this game. Look at me. I just got a pip with handcuffs on and my fingers taped. So what can I say beside I'm better than you at this game? Have a nice day.